Namaskar. Morning sets the tone for your entire day, not just in energy, but how your body digests and absorbs the nutrients. The morning routine is more than just a set of habits, it's the foundation of how your body absorbs and assimilates the nutrients which you had. Starting your day the wrong way, like drinking coffee on an empty stomach or skipping your first meal, can lead to bloating, low in energy, and poor digestion. So, let's see how to create a healthy morning routine for better digestion and absorption. The first step of your healthy morning routine is to wake up before sunrise. Ayurveda says that waking up during Brahma Muhurta, an hour before sunrise, when the atmosphere is calm and the body's biological clock is in harmony with nature. But even if you can't do this, try to wake up at least by 7 a.m. Ayurveda suggests that the later you wake up, the more sluggish your digestive fire will be. The second step to this healthy morning routine is to drink 1 to 2 glasses of warm water. Now raise your hands above your head and interlock your fingers. Walk around your room for 2 to 3 rounds. This will help you evacuate your bowel, especially for those who suffer from constipation. Always remember, easy bowel movements are the signs of good health and even good digestion. This practice will ensure that you have an easy bowel movement daily. Third step, avoid drinking tea or coffee in an empty stomach. You see, as you slept, your body is actually on fast for 7 to 8 hours. This is going to build some acid in your stomach. Now, when you have your tea or coffee, you are putting caffeine into your system, which makes it more acidic. You also not giving any nutrition when your body is hungry. Caffeine will kill your appetite, putting your body in an energy and nutrient stress. So not having a cup of coffee or tea is your next step for better digestion and absorption. Fourth step would be to start your day by eating fresh fruits and soaked nuts. In the morning, your body needs easily digestible food with nutritive values. Fruits like bananas, papaya, apple provide instant energy, natural sugar, and fiber, which gently awakens your digestive system. Soaked nuts like almonds and walnuts are rich in healthy fats and protein that prepares your gut for the day's meals. So let me give you some option for the perfect first meal. You can eat 1 banana with 3 to 4 soaked almond and a sprinkle of jaggery, or a bowl of papaya with a dash of lime. Half an hour after you had this meal, you can have a cup of tea or coffee. Always remember that you have a light but nutrient-dense meal before any morning workout. Your body needs that energy after being energy deficient throughout the night. The final step of this morning routine is asana practice. Research shows that several asanas have many benefits for a digestive system, like detoxification, improving gut flora, acidity relief, and so on. So let's see what are those best asanas for better digestion and absorption. First comes Yogendra Marjari Asana, Bipil Asana, or cat cow pose, which gives you the following benefits. It massages the intestine, relieves trapped gas, promotes healthy elimination, improves digestion. The next asana is Yogendra Pavan Muktasana. It releases bloating and gas, targets the abdominal area, and stimulates the intestine. The third powerful asana you should definitely practice is Yogendra Ardha Matsyendra Asana, or spinal half twist. It detoxifies the body, promotes the movement of waste and toxin out of the intestine. It also stretches the spine, relieves tension, which can cause digestive discomfort. Remember, your morning are the foundation of your day and your health. By making small but meaningful changes, like starting your morning with fruit, eating something before workout, and using the principles of Ayurveda and Yoga, you can ensure better digestion, higher energy, and improved well-being. Let your morning become a reflection of a balanced lifestyle with such healthy routine. Namaskar.